Now there's a fast, easy way to turn your ugly, slippery concrete into a beautiful new upgrade for your home, without the high cost and labor of new concrete, paving stones, or tile. Introducing the Golden Select Stoneseal Decorative Concrete Resurfacer, a real stone coating system you can apply in just a weekend. With Stoneseal, you no longer have to put up with worn, slippery, patched, ugly concrete around your home. Instead, you can turn your old, stained garage floor into a durable, attractive stone surface. Give your cold, dusty basement floor the look of real stone tile. Create a fresh new patio or pool deck with slip-resistant textured beauty. You can do it all with this one complete kit that covers up to 100 square feet. The Golden Select Stoneseal Kit is an advanced surface finishing technology you can apply as easily as painting with a roller. But it is not paint. Stoneseal is a unique stone coating system that delivers outstanding high-performance benefits, indoors and out. All it takes is a few simple, quick-drying, roller-applied steps to turn this bare, dirty garage floor into a beautiful new slip-resistant surface. All you do is prime it, apply the stone base coat, and then the decorative stone accent. In just minutes, it will blend with the rest of the floor to create elegant stone character. Then just let the surface cure until the following day and seal it. And if you want a realistic tile design, you can do that too. The Stoneseal Kit even includes grout-lined stencil tape you can lay down in any size tile or pattern you like, for unsurpassed elegance that can look as though you'd spent thousands. The Stoneseal system locks onto concrete block, brick, and even drywall, anywhere a natural rustic stone or tile effect is desired. The kit includes all required coatings and a special applicator that does all the creative work for you. All you need to do is roll the coatings down in the order specified. And that's it. In just a weekend, at a comfortable pace with dry times in between, you can finish a garage floor like this, as well as many other interior and exterior floor and wall surfaces, with the Golden Select Stoneseal Decorative Concrete Resurfacer.